Good morning, everyone. For our channel today, I thought we'd do something a little different, and we are experiencing a blizzard in New England right now. So I'm going to take you along with me while we clean up the sidewalks and the driveway, and maybe some clips of Finnegan playing. So come along. Right now I'm putting my boots on. I've got 2 layers of pants on, some thick socks, a long sleeve shirt, a sweatshirt, and then a waterproof coat. And I've got these nice Timberland snow boots. Haven't been out yet today, so no clue what we have for snow yet. All right, I think I'll wear my Grinch hat for right now. Put some gloves on. Finn wants you to see his boots. All right, Finn wants to show you his boots, so just a minute. All right, got my gloves on. Finn, what'd she do? What'd she do, buddy?
I know. I'll carry you down.
All right, see you out there in a minute.
Okay.
All right, here goes nothing. Whoa!
Let me see. Whoa! Oh my God.
Holy crap, guys, this is gonna be big. All right, here goes nothing. I'm just gonna jump on in because my shovel and stuff is over here buried.
Huh?
Holy crap.
Wait, Finn, don't go out yet.
Look at this
Wait,
wind. I just gotta show you a clip of this. Look at this. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing.
No, wait.
Woo! Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is above my knees. Holy crap. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna put you guys right here while I try to shovel out some of this. Look at our fire. This is crazy. Oh my God, that was crazy. I don't know where Finn went, but he's dragging his snow all over. Oh my God, there's stuff everywhere. Let's put this right here. You see my hair? It's frozen. Finn?
Hope you're not on the couch. Oh my god, ever since my papa passed away, this light, when I first come in the house, goes off all the time when I'm using it. Ever since he passed away, never before. It's crazy. So I usually yell at him and I go, Bobby! Every time it goes off. Finn, come here please. I laid some towels down, but those are already a mess. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to come down here with like more towels. Hey, where's your brother? On the couch with all his snow stuff. Get over here. Come here. I gotta dry you off. Come in the bathroom. Come on. Go. Usually we have a kitchen whisk that we use just for Finn's fur, because he gets all these little balls, and that's a hack to get them off. I don't know where it is. Let's see if we can figure this out together. Okay, let's see this paw. I know, you're freezing. I know. Let's see this one. Wait. Oh, my brush. Yeah, that works. My dry hair brush is working just fine to get everything off. Let's see if you can have it. I think you can. This is the one hard part about having a doodle. Their fur gets a little clumpy in the snow. And he doesn't love being brushed, but with a brush like this, like a wet brush, he's much better with. If it was a regular brush, he'd freak. He's a little baby. Then I have a microfiber towel for him. Okay, come on. Come on. He had a lot of work in the snow. Sometimes I end up just blow drying him, which might be the case today because there's a lot of snow on you, boy. Can I see your back legs? Here, turn. And now I'm gonna have to dry off the couch too because you jumped on the couch with your coat. He must have been really cold because he knows he has to wait at the front door before he does anything. I don't know why he ran up today, but you must have been freezing. I'll forgive you. It was like snowing in the house once I opened the door, so that could be why, right? Okay, let me see this foot. Alright, Finn. All set. Go ahead. Then I'll just hang this up so it's dry next time we need it in a couple hours. And he goes out again. And we'll leave this for him. Since we just got home from a big trip in our van, we've got a lot of laundry to do. So while Ash is out shoveling, I'm going to tackle some inside projects. This is fun. New England blizzard.
thing about this snow too is that it's a heavy, wet snow, so it's harder to shovel. But we're getting there. Alright, hopefully you can see me. Getting there, guys. We are getting there. Right now, I'm trying to figure out exactly where the driveway ends here so that I know where I can throw the snow, because I don't want to throw the snow where I have to shovel still. So I'm trying to figure out where the grass is. I think I'm almost there. I got to the grass, so look out. Just gotta shovel. I gotta go put this on the charger. I'll be back in a few. While the GoPro was charging, basically I just shoveled the our deck. So this was all filled with at least a foot of snow. I got that all cleared up. Got a pathway going here. And just look how deep it is. Crazy. Alright, so I'm going to continue shoveling this out. And if you can tell, even since you've last seen, we've gotten, this is all covered with snow again, at least another 3 inches. So amazing. If you can't tell, I love the snow and I love to work out, so this is like no big deal for me. I'm having a great time. According to Steph, I've already been out here for about 3 hours. Doesn't feel like it though. Just changed my gloves. Steph keeps putting them in the dryer for me, and then I go up and change them into dry. She takes the wet and dries them off for me. Same with the hat. I realize I probably look ridiculous, but I don't care. It's snowing and I'm shoveling and I'm all wet. You got me at my true colors. I'm finding that the hardest part is to figure out where to put all this snow. So that's the biggest struggle right now. Hey, Teddy. It came out.
You're not gonna do this whole thing.
Yes, I am. Watch me. We're almost done.
All right, something our parents always talk about that we can never hear enough of is that they lived through the blizzard of '78, which was like 27 inches, and the news just came on and said that we officially overpassed that. We're at like 32 inches of snow. Wow, this is crazy.
Hi, buddy.
See, Dad, I do shovel. Dad, we didn't have to move to Florida. I shovel now.
Look at my pants. Keep falling down.
This is crazy. Crazy.
78. Hi, buddy. You like it? Side by side. Here's Ashley shoveling his
Yeah,
stuff.
this is what my dad was talking about.
Yep.
I do one and I sit and
Take a
I
little
look.
break.
Yeah, this is why we moved to
Gotta
Florida.
go get some water.
All right, Dad, you were right. I'm not a worker. Sue me.
Get it. I love it. It's like a dream day.
Then. I think they said there's like 3 more hours of the snow too. Official total so far, 32 inches. And we can have Finn off of his leash because he can't get anywhere. He's too short. Poor guy. All right, let's tackle the car.
Finn's sitting in the car with the heat on. His little poodle skin can't take the snow. I'm back inside. I'm gonna dry up and rest for about an hour. I was outside for 5 hours, so there's still some stuff to be done out there. And after I rest up for a bit, we'll go back out. I'm in my big Snuggie, warming up. All right, guys, it's about 5 o'clock. The snow should be just about settling down now. We're gonna go back outside and see what we have left to do. I came in for a bit. Steph washed and dried all my clothes again so I could just throw them all back on. And she made me some hot soup and some hot chocolate. So I'm ready to go back out and see what there is to clean the rest up. All geared up. Let's see the damage. Not too bad up here on the deck. Just about another inch or two to clear off. This is crazy. Got all of this side shoveled. Basically almost enough to pull the car out. Still got to do over here this section. All the way down here. And look at this big pile here that the plow left. So, got some work to do. Let's start shoveling. It's day 2 of the blizzard of 26 winter cleanup. We got everything cleaned up here at our driveway, down to pavement. Looking good. Road's clear. Look at this big snow patch. And now we're gonna make a snowman and play in the snow. Go ahead, buddy. Go. You can do it. Come on. Go ahead. You can do it. It is day 3 of the blizzard of 26. We finished our snowman, but it got dark last night. Guys, I still have to work while filming all this, so our videos are a little wacky, but it's day 3 now, and it's snowing again, and we're going to show you our snowman and the little maze that we built for Finn. I might do a little more work to the maze later today. We'll see. Here it is. It's not snowing hard, but it is coming down. And I got little Winnie here with me, too. Here we go. So the maze goes this way and this way, so he can do a little circle. So let's take this way. Oh, Winnie's talking. Look at how deep this is. Look at that wall. Here's our snowman. It got a little messed up, but we'll fix her up. Winnie. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed watching us survive blizzard of 2026. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye!